Welcome to Kids Files. Let's guess the sound. Here's how to play. You will hear 20 different sounds and try to guess what the sound is. After 3 seconds, the answer will appear. Are you ready? Let's do it! It's a dog barking. It's a cat meowing. It's a cow mooing. It's a chicken clucking. It's a duck quacking. It's a car horn. It's a motorcycle. It's a train. It's an ambulance siren. It's a phone ringing. It's a doorbell. It's a clock ticking. It's water pouring. It's scissors cutting. It's a keyboard typing. It's a blender. It's a vacuum cleaner. It's rain. It's thunder. It's fireworks. Good job, everyone. You did great. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.